The Panaji JMFC Court on Wednesday granted extension of remands of all 8 accused arrested in RAMA attempt to murder case for 2 more days. In this case, 5 accused were arrested on very first day of attack, and those 5 accused were granted 5 days police custody. Later on, 2 more accused were arrested on next day, and the court had granted their police custody for 4 days. Later on, when Zenito was arrested and produced before the court had granted his custody for 2 days. All the custody of all 8 accused had ended on Wednesday, and the accused were produced before the JMFC court. Panaji police filed the application for their further police custody for 7 more days. But the counsel representing Zenito Cardozo contended that his ground of arrest were not supplied to the family members, which is mandated by the Supreme Court's directives. Opposing the contention of the defense counsel, the public prosecutor contended that this point should have been raised when Zenito was produced before the court for the first time. The public prosecutor, seeking further extension, contended that crucial piece of evidences like the mobile phone used in the crime, the vehicle used in the crime are yet to be recovered, and the statement of Rama and other crucial witnesses are yet to be recorded. Hence, the extension of police custody is required here. After hearing all the parties, the JMFC court has extended the police custody of all the accused for 2 more days. With Onkar Flari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.